It's my first car. I bought it 56 years ago in 1968 when I was a student at Iowa State. It was my everyday driver for 10 years, and I parked it. It's all stock.
Wow.
Exactly the way it left the factory. It's an original 283. It's all been blueprinted. Probably makes about 300 horse as it sits. Jerry Seinfeld, the comedian, refers to cars like this as dead men's cars.
Yeah.
The only time they'll ever come up for sales after the owner dies.
I feel pretty good. I feel really fancy.